Hi guys, this is Fars and welcome back to Farsology, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create the glow effect in Photoshop, and I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So let's get started. Okay, this is the picture I'm going to use today, and I want to apply the glowing effect on the sword. You can see, so at first you need to select the subject. So for this you can use any selection tool. Let's try with the quick selection tool. Take your time and select accurately. So okay, the selection is done. Now press Command and Z to copy this. Okay, now it comes as a layer 1. Now convert it to a smart object. For this, right click on your mouse and click on the convert to smart object. That's done. Now go to the filter, then blur, and select the Gaussian blur. Okay, let's start with the 5 pixels and change the blending mode to screen. That's fine. Now look at this, it's already gives you a glow effect. Look at this. Okay, now again copy this layer by pressing Command or Ctrl and Z, and just double click on the smart filter Gaussian blur, and here change the radius value to 20 pixels. That's done. Again copy the layer by pressing Command and J, and double click on the smart filter and change the radius to 100 pixel. That's good. And now you can just copy again this layer. Look at this, to increase the effect. So let's try it. Okay, let's make another copy, and I want to increase this one to around 150. Let's try with 150. That's fine. Okay, that's done. Now make a group of all this layer. Select the first one, press and hold Shift key, and select the last one, layer 1. Okay, now press Command and Z to make a group of this. Look at this, it's looking good, but I want to apply some color here. So for this you just need to create a hue and saturation layer. Okay, that's fine. And now click on the colorize button. But now look at this, the hue and saturation layer is affected all the pictures, but we want this effect only in the selected area, that is group 1. So create a clipping mask by clicking on this icon, and now look at this, the effect is applied only on this area. Okay, and now you can change the hue to select your color. Look at this, increase the saturation to make it more bright, and also you can control the lightness. Look at this, it looks really good, and increase it more. Okay, let's go with this color. Now look at this, look at this, this was the before and this is after. I think I should decrease the lightness a little bit. I think this is fine. Look at this, this was the before and this is after. It looks really good. So that's it. You can apply the same technique with this one too. It is very easy and quick. So if you love this tutorial, if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.